Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this box of two lithium ion batteries, 18 volts, from the manufacturer Payeston for review. These are designed for the Milwaukee Tools. So let's open it up and take a look at the batteries. Okay, it came with a user manual. One battery. And the second battery. Okay, again, if we take a closer look at these batteries, these are the 18 volt lithium ion batteries. They're designed primarily for the Milwaukee Tools. There's a list of tools in the user manual that these batteries are compatible with. These are high output, 5,000 milliamp hour, 18 volt lithium ion batteries. Okay, these are very easy to install. You have these two red buttons on each side that you will press simultaneously to release the battery from the tool, or to install it in the tool. You just align up the tool with the track, and then the battery will click into place. It has a strong, durable shell, high quality plastic material. Okay, these batteries have a built-in chip that provides multiple protections against overcharging, over discharge, overload, and overheating. Provides short circuit protection and steady voltage circuits. The LED indicator lights on the battery displays the remaining power. By pressing this button on the far right, you can see three lights lit up. So it's about 75% charged when I receive the battery. The other battery also has about 3/4 of the charge. So overall, I think these 18 volt lithium ion batteries built for Milwaukee Tools are of high quality, with the battery life indicators on the front, easy to install, and your chip protection for overheating, overcharging. So I highly recommend these batteries.